You guys have requested a lot to share a recipe which is easy and gives results like a salon's. Obviously, natural procedures and treatments take long but give 100% effective results. The salon treatments, like protein treatment and spas, give you the same results, but they are not pocket-friendly. That's after taking 1 or 2 sessions. We can't afford to have more. And those incomplete procedures could even make your hair worse, even more damaged. So today, I am sharing a secret procedure which obviously salons would never want you to know. But you guys are more like a family. So my friend Kara has shared this secret procedure with me. She is running a salon in LA, so thanks to her, you can always write your sweet comments to say thanks. She just loves reading your comments. So this is basically a hair procedure which gives protein to your hair. This treatment makes your hair soft, silky smooth, and tangle-free. No tangles means no hair fall, which always falls due to dryness and tangles. Once this issue is solved, the hair will never fall out, and eventually you will have super long and thicker hair. Whenever you want to grow long, thick hair, just control your hair fall. All of your hair problems are linked to hair fall or breakage. Once this problem is solved, the overall texture and growth speed will improve. In fact, your hair will even start growing like crazy after this. So note down the ingredients we will be needing to prepare this. So first of all, we need a very good quality keratin mask, which you can order online. I don't suggest any brand because all keratin masks have almost the same results, so buy according to your budget or your choice. Our next ingredient is vitamin E capsules. You can order them online. Vitamin E capsules adds moisture and helps to remove those unwanted split ends. Also makes your hair shiny. Next, we will be needing any good quality keratin conditioner. We also have to use this in our recipe as it helps to nourish the hair and remove those permanent tangles. Also, it conditions the hair. Lastly, we will be needing pure argan oil. Argan oil acts as a booster. Believe me, it has countless benefits. It will tackle the dryness problem, makes your hair strong, it adds shine, it's an energy booster for hair. This oil is especially very effective for hair length. So, take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of mask. You can adjust the quantity according to your hair length. And add 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of conditioner, not more than that. And lastly, the same quantity of argan oil, like the mask, 3 tablespoons. Now, mix it really well and it is ready to use. Now, shampoo your hair gently, and once your hair is shampooed and clean, now start applying this mask to your wet hair. Take a small section, starting from the roots towards your ends. Apply this mask 1 inch away from your roots. We don't have to apply this mask to your roots. When you are applying, remember to emulsify as you see in this video. This step helps to apply evenly and gives more effective results. Once the application is done, leave the mask on your hair for the next 20 minutes, not more than that. After that, you have to wash like this. First, make your hair 20% wet with water, and then emulsify while washing. Wash slowly. This could take 20 minutes or more. This will make your hair so soft and silky. And lastly, wash your hair with water, and you are done. Dry your hair, and you would notice that your hair has become so straight, like smoothing. Do you believe this is what salons do to your hair and charges you hundreds of dollars? And now you can do this at home. Please do not overdo or overuse. Use once a week or 2 to 3 times a month, and the results stay permanent. Once you use this for 2 to 3 times a month, your hair texture will start changing slowly, and after that, sometime you will only need to use this like once a month, only to maintain the hair. Believe me, friends, this treatment has amazing results. If you like this video, share with your loved ones. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.